Good morning, Rick.
Hey, good morning.
How are you doing today?
Good, how you doing?
What do you got going on over here?
Bow tying the shit out of this table today.
Look at this little guy.
It's huge. It's a massive bow tie.
I'm just bow tying tables. Got new shoes.
New shoes? Look at those bad boys.
Yeah, I got some Reeboks. You know, I play tennis.
Hey,
So.
can you title this week's video as just Rick gets new shoes?
I think I might.
Did you see Rick's new shoes?
I did. I got one.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
I'm gonna check the shop, make sure it's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Really.
Oh my
yeah. Show
god.
off,
Oh
man.
my god.
Hey, can I get a producer credit on this?
Look at this. Look at this little dance. We all got. Oh, he's doing the moonwalk.
Whoa!
He's moonwalking. Oh my god.
It's the shoes. I actually can't help it. They're guiding me.
Welcome back to our weekly recap, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what's been happening in the shop. Today we've got a lot of really solid projects in motion that the crew's been pushing forward, and I can't wait to show you where everything stands right now. And equally important news, if you didn't know, Rick got new shoes. Fresh out of the box, shop approved, and honestly, they might just be the cleanest thing in the shop right now. Today we're kicking things off with bow ties on this absolutely massive black walnut book match. This thing comes in at a little over 13 feet, and it's going to need a lot of care and attention to make sure every split and opening in the slab is properly secured. Bow ties are one of the most common details you'll see in our videos and around our shop. But when they're laid out correctly and installed with intention, they do a lot more than just look good. A clean line of bow ties locking everything together makes all the difference when it comes to long-term stability and the level of craftsmanship that we promise all of our clients. Now the team sanded everything flush, and you can see that those bow ties are beautifully set in place, smooth and locked into the surface, ready for the next step.
Hello, William.
It's 8 o'clock on Tuesday morning. I don't know what you want from me.
Best week in the world.
Wow! You hear that? No. Best week in the world. Wow! Yeah. Understatement. Quite a statement.
Nice. But this part of it,
Take this deep take. Can you still feel it? Sometimes. Wow.
this chunk right here, from here to here that's missing, is in Zach's hand.
You got boo-boo?
It was not a boo-boo. Major injury.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Couldn't move my fingers.
It went in here and went all the way up here.
How did it?
I was wiping finish on it.
Oh! Chalky milk.
Talkie milk. Talkie milk. What a good pour. What a great way to start the pour there, Bill.
Gee, thanks.
Start spreading the glue. I'm rolling today. Again?
No.
You guys got presents.
I was just saying, you clearly got the Maserati of rollers.
Got like ABEC 9 bearings in it.
Last night I put it on.
Flush up this side.
Yeah. Ripping and ripping.
Ripping and ripping.
Ripping Rican. Thanks, Luke. I appreciate the courtesy cough laugh there.
So Bob. At least it's not great.
Now this is something you don't get to see too often in our shop, and you most likely won't see that often at all, which is our vacuum press bag. You can use it for all kinds of things, but it's mostly used for veneer. And today we're veneering some exotic sheets of hardwood on a 1/2-inch ply so that then we can CNC them for some really spectacular art pieces. The vacuum pressure gives us even clamping across the entire surface, which leaves no gaps, no bubbles, and no inconsistencies. Just a clean, tight bond from edge to edge. It's a simple setup, but when it's dialed in, it makes a huge difference for the final result.
Time lapse of this. Don't love that sound.
Very goopy.
Just enough that you can't see it, you know? Right. Good idea.
That side, last side.
Yeah.
Right.
I have solid 3/4 of an inch here. That's wild. Yeah, let's see.
The whole way.
Oh, that's gonna be tight right there, Luke.
So what I'm about to do right now is it's the only way to get this to fix to the table nice and flat is gonna be with screws. I basically have outlined it outside of the actual finish cut. That way I know where I can and cannot put a screw. So don't put anything inside my little outline.
What a fart smeller.
Try it.
Now you're getting a little sneak peek at what these art pieces are actually going to become. I'm not going to give it away just yet. We'll save that for another time, but I would love to hear your best guess down in the comments. And if you think you know exactly what it is, let's hear it. And I will say this one has been a really fun project for us, and I'm looking forward to show you how it all comes together in the end.
What I wanted to see on this is how well the veneer was adhered to the ply. And then also you can see I didn't cut all the way through. So I gotta go a little bit deeper.
It looks pretty crisp.
It is pretty crisp. I'm happy with that.
You pass it, but I don't have to do it. I just hit go and it goes.
Whoa. Pretty cool.
Turn out nice.
What do you do with them now?
We melamine them,
I like the
Edge
first.
band.
Turn this
Edge band them.
into black with a strip of
Yeah.
edge
Sharpie.
banded
Sharpie.
melamine.
It's a big Sharpie.
We get like the chisel tip, the one that's real wide.
Yeah.
Big
And that
chisel
turns
tip
it-
guy.
And that turns into melamine.
Now that Will's finished CNCing all of those pieces, he's going to move on to cleanup. Here he's going to run a flesh trim bit around the perimeter to clean up the edges and make everything perfectly true. This step is key. If the edge isn't dead on here, the next phase will not sit right at all. From there, we'll apply a black edge banding to give it a seamless, consistent look all the way around. Once that's on, these pieces will be fully prepped and ready to head on down to finish.
I do not consent. You can't use this footage. Oh, fine. I'll allow it.
I had something, I almost got jump in my car when I was driving Lyft. I had this happen twice.
Listen to that joiner absolutely rip. John's milling up some 8/4 black walnut that'll be glued up soon for a table part of our Divergence series. Getting everything flat, straight, and square before it ever sees glue. That's where the quality really starts here. And over here, you've got Rick trimming up the ends so that every board is the exact same length. From there, we'll cut slots for floating tenons along each glue seam. Loose tenons are a big part of the process. They help with alignment during the glue up, and they add long-term stability to those seams over the life of the table.
The hopes and fears of all the years.
Here? You
You're
get
just going straight with the old hands,
some,
aren't
you
you?
don't get some.
You sick freak. It's actually a really efficient way of doing it.
I know. Luke, you wanna go hop? Are you? Yep. No, not gonna happen. Dude, nice job.
Now Rick's moving on to sculpting the edges of this table, giving it that faux live edge profile. He's got a real feel for this part of the process. It's subtle, but it completely changes the presence of the piece. Once he's happy with the shape and the surface, he'll finish it off with a final sanding before it heads down to finish. And here it is getting our standard finish, which is Rubio Monocoat 2C. It seals and protects the tabletop while really pulling the grain to life. This is always the moment where the wood finally gets to speak for itself. If you'd like to see this table in person, feel free to stop by our showroom during the weekdays, or you can schedule an appointment with someone from the team to come by on a weekend. And with that, thanks for taking the time to watch this week's recap. We really appreciate you following along with what we're building in the shop. And if you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We'll see you back here next week.